My name's Dr. Emma Saunders, and I am the General Manager at a company called Genesis Biosciences. So EcoClean is a biological cleaning system, and it uses specially selected beneficial bacteria called Bacillus to solve the root causes of scale, odour and hygiene issues in toilets and urinals. So that means that it keeps the system working during, after and in between applications rather than just at the very moment of dosing like chemical products do. What makes EcoClean effective at breaking down scale? Traditional chemicals mainly rely on acids and oxidizers or fragrances to remove any visible soil or to mask smells. But the problem with that is that the effect is really short-lived. So once the chemical has been flushed away, the problem just comes back straight away. EcoClean has been tested using recognised cleaning efficacy methods, standard methods, and compared as well against other commercial biological cleaners. And it consistently demonstrated strong cleaning performance, and importantly, it demonstrated sustained activity over time due to the biofilm formed by the bacteria. In real world scenarios, our customers have reported biggest benefit is reduced maintenance costs, fewer blockages, improved hygiene, and better asset protection. EcoClean reduces resilience on hard chemicals that can damage pipework and fixtures, can cause corrosion to surfaces, particularly well polished surfaces and chrome. It lowers the need for reactive cleaning as well, so it delivers a consistent performance with a much smaller environmental impact.